In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize the Salesforce Lightning Home Page so it better reflects what you actually use each day. Start by clicking Home from the navigation bar to access your main dashboard. In Lightning Experience, homepage customization typically depends on your permissions, and deeper changes are often done through the Lightning App Builder by an admin. If you have access, look for the Setup gear and choose Edit Page to open the Lightning App Builder, where you can adjust standard components like Assistant, Performance Chart, Tasks, and Events. You can drag components into different sections, reorder them, or remove ones that aren't relevant to your workflow. Keep the layout clean and focused, so high-priority information appears first without overwhelming the page. After making changes, save and activate the page if prompted so it applies to the right users or apps. Thoughtful customization improves productivity without changing underlying data. Subscribe for more clear Salesforce tutorials.